Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. So over the weekend, I saw that James Charles used his palette and only his palette to do a full face. I know nobody asked me to do it, but it looked like a challenge. I'm always up for a challenge, and you know, this channel is supposed to be challenging me with my makeup to get me to be a little better and to improve on everything that I'm doing for myself. So I thought that I would give it a try. I still have my friend's palette. I might as well just go and buy one at this point. So I'm going to try this challenge today. I think it'll be fun. I think there's enough colors in here for it to match me. I'm thinking, what is this, tea? I think this one might do well for my skin. I think I might be okay. I think that's really the only one that I kind of have to worry about as far as the foundation. Everything else should be fine. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. I think it's gonna go well. I don't think I'll have that big of a challenge with it, but it is still a challenge because it's all shadows and I've never done that. I don't even use a powder foundation, so let's just get right into this. I am gonna prime my face. I don't remember if James primed his face in his video, but I am gonna prime mine. I already moisturized. I am gonna prime. I absolutely have to. Now that I have primed my face, I'm going to go in with the color Tea, and I'm going to put that all over and use that as a foundation. I'm going to go in with this powder brush from e.l.f. It might be too big, but we'll see. Are you seeing how dark this is? I mean, it's working, kind of. There we go. It's not really covering anything, but I'm going forward with the challenge. So now I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Forever 106 straight brush, and I'm gonna dip into the color Punch Me. I don't know why I keep saying Pinch Me. It's definitely Punch Me. I'm gonna go in with Punch Me, and I'm gonna use that to conceal, lighten up these spots. So Punch Me worked really well. I like the way that that's turning out so far. It really covered up my dark circles and did what I was hoping it did. It's a little sheer, but it's eyeshadow, so what do we expect? Next, I'm going to go in with the color Benny. I'm going to go in with the color Benny, and I'm going to try to contour with that. I'm going to use this smaller concealer brush, and I'm going to sculpt out my face just a little bit. I'm gonna try not to go overboard. I know that I can sometimes, but I'm gonna try not to go overboard. But I'm gonna go in with the color Benny, and I'm gonna sculpt my face with that. I'm gonna change brushes because I'm not liking this one. I'm gonna use this little travel size brush that I have. So that also turned out pretty good. I'm liking this so far. Now I think I'm gonna do my brows. I'm just gonna fill them in just a little bit, bring them out some, and then we're gonna move on to my eyelids. For my brows, I'm just gonna take this angled brush and I'm gonna go into the color Spooky and just fill them in and kind of darken them up and bring them out some. My eyebrows never look the same, and this one always looks better than this one, but I will learn. I will get it together eventually. One day I will make it work. So moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to prime my eyes with Morphe. Taking the small blending brush, I'm going to jump into the color Punch Me. I'm going to put that all over my lid, just setting that primer. I think I'm just going to do a smoky eye because I don't know what else to do. I want to do blue. I haven't tried the blues in this, so I feel like I want to redeem myself from Color Week color blue. So I'm gonna jump into the blues. I'm gonna go into the color Playground, and I'm gonna take that right under my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take this small angled brush and I'm going to go into the color Brother, and I'm going to take that under into the crease and blend that all out. Going into the outer corner, I'm going to take the color Cola. I'm going to take Acapella and put that all over the lid. I want to darken up the outer corner, so I'm going to go in with the color Benny and just kind of blend that in. I'm going to take this smudge brush and I'm going to go into the color Hello, and I'm going to bring that into the inner corner and just kind of bring that out. Going in with a small precision brush, I'm going to go in with the color Cola and bring that under the lower lash. Going in with Brother right under that. And because I want this look to just kind of pop a little bit, I'm going to go in with You're Kidding and put that under the lower lash. Now off camera, I'm going to do the other eye. I am going to do lashes. I might not cheat and do liner. I don't know. You know what? I'm going to try to do Spooky for liner right now. And see how well that works. I'm going to take this angled liner brush and see how well that works. Yeah, that would take 25,000 years, so I'm just going to cheat and use liner. I'm going to do that all off camera and I will be back. So I've done majority of the work to get my eyes done. I want to do a couple more things, and I wanted to make sure that you guys saw that I was doing that. I'm going to go in with that liner brush, and I'm going to use Spooky to line the waterline of my eye. This might be very dangerous, but I'm going to try this. That did what I needed it to do. As you can see, I decided not to line my eyes, my lower lid, or my upper lid, but it's okay. I don't feel like it desperately needs the line. With this tiny smudge brush, I'm going to go into ring light, and I'm going to go into my brow and my inner corner. It's a little more pigmented than I wanted it to be. I'm trying to blend it into the shadow. I picked up a little bit too much. I'm liking this. I think I'm doing pretty good. For blush, I'm going to go into low heat because I want this I don't want it to be too vibrant. That was kind of perfect. Kind of perfect. Onto lips, I'm going to I want to keep it kind of neutral. I don't want to do too much for the lips. I'm looking at Code James 10% off and no beans. Or Mary. I think I'm going to go in with Mary. And plop that all over the lips. I'm gonna mix no beans just to darken that up. I need some lip gloss. I can't do this. Okay, the lip gloss helped with how it kind of looked, but it's still too light. I want to darken this up. So I'm gonna go into Spooky. Hopefully that will do, or not Spooky. That's way too dark. I'm gonna go into Benny. I feel like I should just stop while I'm ahead. I think I went in too dark with it. I'm gonna go on with Shook just to give it a little shimmer. I think that did it. Now on to the last part, my favorite part, highlight. Of course, I'm gonna have to go in, well, I might not have to go in with the ring light. Let's see how face looks. We're gonna go in with face. I feel like the highlighter brought it all together. And that is our finished product of this one palette only full face challenge. I know that people have done this before, but I figured, you know what, I have James Charles' palette right now, so why not do what he did using his palette? I'm trying to enjoy this palette. I'm trying to get better at using this palette, and this was a perfect way to challenge myself to go out of the box and use it in ways that I didn't think that I could. I like this. The eyes aren't anything special. I think it did a pretty good job, but I don't know. I was starting to like them. I'm really disappointed about the lips though. I do feel like something is missing because the eyes are so loud and the rest of it is so toned down, but it's okay. I mean, it's not like a terrible thing, but especially after my week of colors, I've been so loud with the full face, like blue here, blue here, blue here, blue everywhere, red everywhere. So coming into this, doing such a subtle face with such a loud eye is kind of hard for me to look at. It's kind of hard for me to look at and get used to and like, but I like the eyes. I just don't know that I like the eyes with this face. All that being said, I am happy that I did this challenge because again, it was fun. It was a challenge for me. It was really outside of my element, but it was fun, and it got me to get to know the colors a little better, which was really good because that means that I can use the palette more often and understand what I like about them, why I don't like them, whatever it may be. But I like it, and I like the foundation concealer look. It's so sheer, so light that, and that could too be why I don't like the eye, because it's not a flawless look. So you've got this flawless eye on top of like such a sheer natural face. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think down in the comment section, how you feel about this look, how you feel about how I did with the challenge. If you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.